Right, so I had a bit of an issue with the spindle here, little ER16. I stripped the end of the threads there, and the same with the nut. The threads are done, but you can see it was only grabbing on by 3-4 threads at the most. It's a new nut, so by the time you get all your gear up in there, like you got all this here. It's only grabbing 3-4 threads at the end of the spindle. So I sent it off to Jim from Machine Whisperers, and he made me a new one. So it's got a lot more thread there. So now you can see, like, it goes right up top thread. If you look before, it was only 3-4 threads, so now using all this up here. So thanks, Jim, Machine Whisperers. We'll give her a run. Alright, well, cool. That worked out alright. That did good. Hey, there's little bits and pieces. Happy with that. Yeah, it's fine. No dramas. These end mills that I use, they're from Adam's Bits. They seem to work alright. I've done a few jobs now and they're still super sharp. So they seem to be running pretty good. But yeah, back in action. Cheers.